Welcome to Ask the Lawyer radio podcast with attorney Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This podcast features a recording of our most recent radio show aired weekly in New York City. We hope you enjoy the show, which features news, views, and interviews on matters such as immigration, personal injury, bankruptcy, divorce, family law, estate planning, wills and probate, deed transfers, civil rights, criminal defense, workers' compensation, and taxes, both individual and business. You can contact us at 855-768-8845 or visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. You have questions? We've got the answers.
Good day. My name is Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. One common denominator, one common problem, one common philosophy, one common sorrow that we have with clients is the issue of pain. When clients come to you on matrimonial matters, there's the pain of a divorce. It's painful. When people come to the office with immigration issues, it's a painful situation if they have been obviously taken advantage, defrauded, taken advantage. They've been here for many years, undocumented, and they've been exploited by their employers or their fellow, obviously, people from their own community. So pain is a common thing. Wills, trust, and estate planning, people come in here sometimes too late when somebody is deceased or when someone is dying. And that painful situation brought them to your office, but they should have been doing wills, trust, and estate planning. Civil rights issues, obviously. Someone's civil rights is violated by the NYPD, the federal government. Their civil rights may be violated on the job, whether it be a private company, a public federal company, a state company. So what attorneys do, we obviously resolve legal issues, but also the pain that comes with it. So we sometimes, a lot of times, we do counseling. Maybe that's why they say counselor at law. You're not only counsel in law. Sometimes you have to be counseled in life. My name is Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. And the issue that we are talking about is pain. How do we resolve pain that comes with the legal representation? Well, obviously, we should represent you professionally, vigorously, and obviously with empathy when you have a legal issue. Yes. And that pain, unfortunately, may make you guys make bad decisions, Is you or your wife having an affair? Is that the reason you want a divorce? And should you forgive that person? And what does forgiveness mean? You could take forgiveness in the context of love. It could be spiritual. But attorneys, they give you your legal options and they tell you the legal consequences of your forgiveness. So forgiving has consequences in every area of law. And the more you forgive, it's the more it works to your disadvantage in litigation and in almost every area of law. Forgiveness doesn't solve problems sometimes. It exaggerates it. It makes it more painful in the future when you have to make that decision that you have been delaying. And the common thing is, oh, I loved him. Oh, I loved her. But did they really love you? Again, my name is Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. the number to call, the number to keep, and the number to share if you really love people is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. So pain is the issue. But obviously, I want you to talk when you come for our consults. I want you to tell me the truth of your problem. And I will give you legal advice and pain advice based on all the pain that I've seen in our community for the last 25 years. So one of the pains that people suffer, a lot of people in Kings County, especially from the Caribbean, is the pain that they have after Arleigh Louison, a gentleman that is now deceased, defrauded people, did fraudulent immigration applications, putting lies in those applications that they were abused by their spouses or by their children or by others, which do not qualify you for immigration benefit. So Arleigh Louison knew that you had pain. He was a notary, whatever, operating out there, not a lawyer. And he knew that people have pain. And he preyed on that pain that people have and filed these fraudulent applications because he knew you would make bad decisions. You would make immoral decisions or unchristian-like decisions to have the ability to work in America. Because he also knows you got to feed your children, your wife, your husband, your family back home. You need to send those barrels. He's aware of it. And by being aware of your pain and your need economically to survive, he took advantage of you. It doesn't matter what he said. You would sign those forms even though you didn't know what was written on the forms, which is what a lot of people said who were defrauded by Arleigh Louison. And there are other notaries in the community that do the same. In fact, I have other lawyers that do the same. So when you have pain, you will also have to be careful who you disclose your pain to. And you have to get a second or third consultation if you think what the person is saying is either illegal, immoral, or will get you into trouble. Again, my name is Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa & Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. Pain also makes you vulnerable. So please, don't be vulnerable. Control your pain. Number to call the law firm of Figueroa & Associates. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share so that we could reduce pain and fraud in our community is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Our website, Ask the Lawyer, Figueroa & Associates, the law firm. Go to www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. You could also schedule consultations on our website. Peace.
Arleigh Louison is a criminal, now deceased and indicted by the federal government for defrauding thousands of Grenadians. If you or a family member is a victim of Arleigh Louison and are in deportation proceedings or any immigration matters pending in immigration court, please call the law firm of Figueroa & Associates at 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845.
Do you have a legal issue, question, or concern? Turn to Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. You can also register for our paralegal program, get legal news, business consults, or other information on educational issues. Yes, Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us.